To create a report on Microsoft Dynamics 365, start by logging into your account using your credentials or Microsoft account information, either through a subscription or a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section, where you will find options for General and more settings. From there, proceed to the Advanced settings, which will likely default to the Business Management section. However, you need to access the Customization section. Within the Customization section, you will find the option to customize the system. Click on this feature to open a new tab. After the tab has loaded, locate the left-hand option labeled Components and click on Entities. The account icon may appear differently than the others, so click on it to proceed. Instead of continuing with Entities, you can close that section and go directly to the Reports. You will then see a list of available reports. To create a new report, click on the Report Wizard, which will guide you through the report creation process. Fill out the required information to create or modify your report. After completing these steps, you should have successfully created a report on Microsoft Dynamics 365.